Look it. Did he get it? He's gonna come back and get it.
Dad, do eagles float?
They can swim. I've seen them pick up a big enough fish where they couldn't fly away, and they would swim it to shore.
There's two. Dad, there's two.
Yeah.
Why are we backing up?
To give them space to pick up the fish. Whoa. He lost some feathers even. Oh, and a loon. Eagle, seagull, and loon. Oh, he must have gave up. Look at that. Seagull went back and grabbed it. The eagle will be back.